Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Online Business Entrepreneur. In this video, we're gonna we're gonna see how to make money in online over and over again with a simple step. This site is a new site. I think you've not probably heard of, but I found this site at browsing the internet. This site was cool. By following Instagram people, you make money. This is the coolest way to make money and the easiest way to make money. This is the legitimate way to make money. Let's dive into video. First, I want to invite to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Please support me, guys. I post daily money video like this. Every daily new video you can see on every video and support me and make money online and enjoy your freedom life. Let's dive into the video. In this video, our website is talking about time bucks. I think you probably not heard of this. This is the time bucks dashboard. Look like I already earn a $1 by easy following a Instagram people. Let's check this out. How can it work? Let's dive into earn. You have lots of option in earning and top. First, survey. You can easily answer a survey, filling out a survey to make money. And next one, content. You can screenshot, sponsor anything, you get paid $0.006, some pinty cash, and video referral, toss, sales, lots of option to make money. But in this video we're gonna see how to make money by following Instagram peoples. Let's take this out. Let's read all of the steps, guys, rules and regulation, and click I agree. Next, this is the time. First we're gonna load people. Click this load people button and click follow. Let's open an Instagram page. Just you follow this guy and like this guy's photo. Like this photo and go back to this. Now click verify follow. If you verify, your amount will be added right now. What happened? First you need to read all the instruction and check. If you do the steps correct, you will get $0.002 every 10 follows. You probably do 40 follows every day. You make a good amount of side hustle. It's the easiest way to make money. It's a good amount to easiest way to make money. If we follow, yes, it's gonna add. Next, videos. This website is probably a good website to make lots of money, and this website also have a referral program. You also refer your friend and get paid. And you see 0.005 just watching a video. Lots of option in this Timebucks website. You make money very simply and just click earn and see many more options, task, sales, role, many more options here. Let's get in a task. Read the instruction, guys. You must read the instruction in any tab you will go. First read the instruction and do the job correct and get paid. It's like Amazon Turk, but Amazon Turk it's not open for anyone. It's get many time to review it. Sometimes they will not approve. So I found this website, the easiest website. It's available worldwide. You are this doesn't matter you where are you from, where are you here. It doesn't matter. Anywhere in the world you can join and eat and get paid. It is a side hustle. It is not a passive income, but it's active income. It's the best way to make money. I think I found this website for you guys. Don't forget to join this website. Don't forget to share with your friends because your friends want to get a side hustle. Okay, let's dive into survey. What's a survey? Many more surveys right here. Do you want a proof? Go to dashboard. Many more people are already making money with this. Do you see? Australia, I don't know this what the countries look like. India, India, Australia, I don't know. Paid earnings. This is my earning, guys. I think I earned this such amount of money within a 5 minutes. Yes, so easiest way to make money. You get at least $10 to withdraw the money to the PayPal. You at least need a PayPal account, guys. Okay, it's the easiest way to make money. $10 in one day. Lots of people make $10 in one day. It's the easiest way to make money, guys. Don't skip around this. Did you see? Do you currently do Instagram task? 69 people of voted. I do Instagram task. Instagram is the most popular website. So Timebucks let's take Instagram to help people to make that money. It's the easiest way. You also refer your friends. I'll leave a link below the description, guys. You click and join. I show you this affiliate link. You don't get, I get little commission by this. If you're interested to help me, please click this link or you go timebucks.com or sign up. Okay, guys. Don't forget to share with your friends and leave a like and comment on below. I want you to comment and subscribe for me. I started a channel. I upload daily video for helping people and make their first dollar in online. I think this video help you guys. Please subscribe to this channel and see all the videos. Make $100 on YouTube, $668.94 online. This is the good video to make lots of money. Now go and watch this video and subscribe to me and share with your friends. Okay, guys, I see you in the next video. Make money online. I love you guys. Peace.